Ready to start investing but not sure where to begin? If you are new to investing and feeling overwhelmed, you're not alone. In this video, we will cover some principles to get you started. Hey, what's up? My name is Shaq and welcome back to the Assets Corner. Today, we are going to talk about investing basics for beginners. So if you're new to investing, stay tuned because this video is for you. First, let's talk about why you should invest. Simply put, investing allows your money to grow over time, potentially resulting in higher returns than just letting it in your savings account. The earlier you start, the more time you invest have to grow. So whether you're planning for retirement, saving for a down payment on a house, or just looking to increase your wealth, investing can help you achieve your financial goals. So the next question is, where do you invest your money? There are several types of investments you can choose from, and most of the common ones are stocks. These are ownership shares in a company. When you buy a share of a company's stock, you own a small part of that company. If the company does well, its stock price might go up, and you could potentially make a profit by selling your shares. Bonds. These are debt securities issued by the company or governments, and when you buy bonds, you are essentially lending your money to the issuer and will earn interest on the loan. And the last one, which is actually pretty common and people really like it, is the real estate investment. This includes buying and renting properties, as well as investing in real estate investment trusts, which are companies that own and operate income in generating real estate properties. But before you start investing, you have to set your investment goals. What do you want to achieve with your investment? Do you want to have it for a long term, or do you want to get immediately returns? When you know your goals, then it makes it easier for you to start investing. Another topic I get asked a lot is how safe is our money when investing? Investing always comes with risks, and it is important to be aware of them. The value of your investments can go down as well as up, and you could lose some or all of your money. However, the key to minimizing your risks is to have a diversified portfolio, meaning that you invest in different types of assets and companies. So even if they say that you can lose all your money, a good thing to know is that you cannot lose more money than you have, unless you're doing another kind of stuff. But investing I'm talking here about is just long. We will see that in the future, and this means that you don't lose more money that you have put in it. So now you have your goals. Now you know that you want to invest. Now you know that you have to diversify your portfolio. So what does it mean? How do you start using a portfolio? First, diversification. You should aim to invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate, depending on your investment goals. As a rule of thumb, you should aim for something between 15 and 30 stocks. Of course, the more stuff you have, the more difficult it becomes to watch them all. So start slow, and with time increment the number of stocks you own. Secondly, you need to decide how much money you are willing to invest and how often you want to invest. For that, you will need to create a budget. And if you don't know how to create a budget, you can take a look at this video where I explain how it works. If you are not that beginner, you probably already know that there are a couple of things where you can invest, like ETF, mutual funds, and stocks. In the next video, I will show you the difference between them. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and activate the notification button. So now that you have a better idea of what investments are out there, where you want to invest, what are your goals, the only thing that keep left is to start investing. The easiest way to invest is through a broker. You can open an account with a brokerage fee online, and they will handle the trades and manage your investments for you. About this topic, you could actually write a book, but there are free commissions brokers and brokers whom you have to pay a fee. What's better for you or not, it depends on you, and you can always check the brokers before investment. But yeah, there are differences between those who you paid something and those who are completely free. I personally use the Euro, where you have to pay a fee, in trading 212, where the fees you pay are just for the currencies. There is a link in the description below to both brokers, and they don't pay me anything for this, so it's just me trying to help you out with what I actually use. So once you start investing, it's important to keep an eye in your portfolio. You will want to review your investments regularly and make changes as needed to keep your portfolio diversified and aligned to your investment goals. You don't have to freak out and watch your portfolio every day, but from time to time you have to take a look at the companies you own. I always take a deeper look at the companies I own every 3 months. Reason for that is that earnings are once a quarter or once every 3 months. So right after the company publics their results for the quarter, I will take a deeper look at the earnings and how the company is doing. It is also important to mention that when you invest in a company, you should commit to a time frame. I always recommend keeping the investment for at least 5 years. Yep, 5 years. Not 5 days, not 5 months, at least 5 years. And actually that's it for this video on investment for beginners. Remember to start investing early. It doesn't matter if it is $300, 3,000 or 30,000 bucks. Do your research and keep your portfolio diversified. Remember that investing is a long-term process. Don't be like my friends that after 3 months they send me a picture, oh, look how good I'm doing, because there are crashes that are gonna come, there are uptrends that are gonna come. So just in the long term, you will see your returns and you will see that you can actually achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. And as I always say, never give up. Keep trying to be the best version of yourself. And until the next time, check out.